Hello everyone, welcome to another helpful tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out your YouTube account on other devices remotely. Let's dive right in. First, open your YouTube app on your device. Then, once logged in, click the profile picture on the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the Manage Your Google account. Then, in the Google account page, go to Security tab. Scroll down to the section labeled Your Devices. Under Your Devices, click on Manage All Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all devices where your Google account is currently signed in. Find the device you want to sign out from. Click the three-dot menu and Sign Out option next to device name. Then, confirm your action to sign out the selected device. Here's the important tips. If you suspect unauthorized access, consider changing your Google account password for added security. Enable the two-step verification security tab for extra protection. And that's it. You've successfully signed out your YouTube account on other devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!